This is a contactless sanitizer dispenser. It is basically being used because nowadays we are saying there is a COVID situation and we don't have to contact anything. We don't be in contact of anything. So to get this aim, we have developed a contactless sanitizer dispenser. When we are putting our hands into it, so we are getting the sanitizer. This is isopropanol based sanitizer, and this is giving almost 10 ml of sanitizer, and it is almost for 10 seconds. Then you can rub it because of as per WHO directions. We have to rub it up to 20 seconds. So total rubbing time plus dispensing time is 20 seconds. So this is developed by CFIs. And from here,
are there any modifications that you are planning to, anything which you want to add into it?
Because now the situation is like every time when the COVID situation is there, one person is supposed to have one sanitizer and he has to spray the sanitizer on every person. So this will reduce the number of person who are particularly working on spraying the disinfectant on a person to sanitize their hands.